Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the purge valve or the canister valve on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, where you can expect to find them. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out. And you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for the purge control valve, canister valve, come to show you which fuses and relays we need to check. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money. And what we guys need to do specifically now, open the hood and facing the engine on the right side here, this is the driver's side, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have the main engine fuse box. Press a tab here, a tab there as well, leave the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that we need to check guys, okay, that fuse now, we will talk about the relays as well, and after that we need to explain what else you need to always check too. One fuse controls that evap system, the purge control valve and the canister system, and you wonder where that fuse is located. So if you come right here, you see that 10 fuse guys right here, okay, this is known as fuse number 21. This fuse 21, that's the one that you will guys need to check right there. That's the main fuse that you will need to check. You don't have a relay, this is known as a relay fuse, but if you still have problems with the purge control valve, canister valve or the evap system, guys, check engine computer fuses and relays. We'll have the video on the channel. If you want to see how to test purge control valve, okay, it's super easy, always check, test them before you buy replacement one. We'll have videos on our YouTube channel how to do that step by step as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.